Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese Level 3. My name is Rose Lee. In this level, I will be teaching you Chinese from daily conversations. In our conversations, you will hear expressions that are frequently used by native speakers. Now let's get started. 第一遍 First time, no subtitles. 小青，你没事吧？没事啊，怎么了？你现在在哪？在上海出差，怎么了？你那个外国朋友安娜给我打电话，让我帮忙叫救护车，说你病得不行了。病得不行了？对，她说的。她问我上海怎么样，我说上海太热了，我快要热死了。她以为我真的要死了。嗨，还好她先给你打电话，没自己叫救护车。你给她打个电话吧，她挺担心的。好的，我打给她。第二遍 Second time with subtitles. 小青，你没事吧？没事啊，怎么了？你现在在哪？在上海出差，怎么了？你那个外国朋友安娜给我打电话，让我帮忙叫救护车，说你病得不行了。病得不行了？对，她说的。她问我上海怎么样，我说上海太热了，我快要热死了。她以为我真的要死了。嗨，还好她先给你打电话，没自己叫救护车。你给她打个电话吧，她挺担心的。好的，我打给她。In this lesson, we're going to tackle two grammar points. First one, using 死了 to exaggerate or to express a strong sense of feeling. It's similar to extremely or super. The second grammar point is how to use 还好 to express a sense of relief. It's similar to the English expression luckily. Let's start with the first one, how to use 死了 to express a strong sense of feeling. In English, you will often hear people saying, "You scared me to death." In Chinese, we have similar expressions. This expression is 死了. For example, 这里的夏天热死了. Summer here is so hot. Note here, nobody's actually dying. It's just a way to say that the weather is super, super hot. Let's look at the example from the dialogue. 上海太热了，我快要热死了。It's so hot in Shanghai, I'm about to die from the heat. 我从早上6点开始工作，我快要累死了。I started working at 6 a.m. I'm about to die from exhaustion. 这个地方吵死了，我们去别的地方吧。This place is so noisy. Let's go somewhere else. Note here, this 死了 expression is mostly used in a negative connotation, but sometimes it can be used in a positive connotation. For example, 我今天开心死了. I'm so happy today. Our second grammar point, how to use 还好 to express a sense of relief. It's similar to the English expression luckily, or it's a good thing that sometimes it's fortunately. And note here, this 还好 is often followed by 不然, which is otherwise. Let's take a look at the example from the dialogue. 还好他先给你打了电话. Luckily, she called you first. 还好我带了雨伞，今天雨太大了。Luckily, I brought an umbrella. It's raining so heavily today. 还好你在，不然我真不知道该怎么办。Fortunately, you're here. Otherwise, I wouldn't know what to do. 还好我们坐了地铁，今天堵车很厉害。Luckily, we took the subway. The traffic is terrible today. 我今天迟到了，还好老板在开会，不然我一定会被骂。I was late today, but luckily the boss was in a meeting. Otherwise, I would definitely have been scolded. Now it's time for a pop quiz. How do you translate this sentence? The clothes here are ridiculously expensive. So the answer is, 这里的衣服贵死了。 Second one, luckily I bought a lot of stuff to eat. I can't go out tomorrow. So the answer is 还好我买了很多吃的东西，明天不能出去。So note here, this 东西 is optional. You can see 还好我买了很多吃的，明天不能出去。So did you get both of them correct? That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!